So we got the truck back home. Made it here. We're gonna be doing a tune-up today, and maybe a couple other things. One of these is a little more war than the other one. I don't know if that's a problem, but it's just a little more war. So we finished the tune-up this morning, and we've driven it around, and it's doing better, but it just feels like it kind of needs to be driven now. So we've replaced the door. We replaced the door in this speaker. That's what I meant to say. Replaced the speaker in that door. We put a new head unit in it. Victor's currently working on that door, and now I'm working out how we're going to fit our subs in here. So yeah. For now, you're just going to watch Victor. So we've moved the camper. I bought that camper today to resale actually. But what we're doing with the sound system in the same, and my camera's about to die, so probably go grab an extension cord and plug it in. But we finally figured out what we're gonna do with the sub and amp. So the sub somehow got damaged, so I had to make a repair right here, just some electrical tape. That should hold pretty good. If it leaks any, I'll just put some more tape until it stops leaking air. But that should hold just fine. So we've taken the back seat out. Our plan is, because we originally wanted to put it in the console, but we want to still have a console. So we're gonna do it underneath the back seat, and we're gonna do a sub. We can't use the big box that came out of the white truck. So I actually bought this one a while back for $5 at a yard sale, and we're just gonna use it. So camera's about to die, but what we're gonna do is, I think you've already seen this. Maybe not. If not, it's pretty simple. We're gonna run our AV. What are they called? I can't think of what they're called now. They're like the things that you plug into your TV. RC cable. Maybe they. Something. Anyway, we're gonna run them from here. We're gonna run our subwoofer lead and all of our stuff from here down. We're gonna get our positive wire going from there to there, and then we're gonna work out a ground, and we'll be done. It'll be pretty simple. So we're gonna get cracking and lacking on that, and yeah, we'll see you guys afterwards whenever the camera starts. Okay, so camera's charged now, and we like made almost no progress, but I do have everything mounted and in place. At least I think it'll work. We're gonna find out in a minute, but I think it'll work. So I've done my basics. Ran the wires along here. They're tucked up in there. And they come out right there. And I do want to make that look a little bit better. This, it kind of looks like crap, but I don't know. I like the coming out of the carpet, the really short connection there. I think it looks really awesome. But I'm not sure that the seat will fit right with the amp there. I may have to move it to like here, because there's like a little ramp right here, which increases airflow through the bottom of it, which is great if that works. That'll get the amp cooler, and the cooler the amp runs, the better we are. So, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work there. We may have to move it. I'm not sure how much. I'm not sure how far. So, yeah, we're gonna go grab the seat, clean up this gigantic mess that's been made in this truck, and test fit. So we have officially got it done. Amp is mounted underneath the seat. You can see it right there. Kind of, I mean, it doesn't poke out. You would think it does, but it doesn't. So if you're sitting, as long as you don't, you know, I'm thinking about making a little thing that comes out. Maybe has some cup holders on it or something. I don't know yet. Anyway, we just got the sub sitting in the seat. So if we need to ride 3 people, the great thing is the sub box is so light, we can just reach back here, unhook our 2 wires, throw it in the back, and we're good to go. So yeah, and we got our mic remounted right, can't see it, right there. So, and everything on the radio works, everything on it works. I didn't mean to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much the sub install. We still have to do speakers here and here, but as far as the sub install goes, we're done. I was gonna make this a time lapse, but it's tight spaces, it's hard to record. Plus there was a lot of in and out of both doors all the time, so setting up a camera there, I would have been tripping over it. So yeah guys.